Hi, this is just a quick video to show how to use Sheets, Google Sheets, to make an equation of a line. So you go into an open Sheets document. So I guess I should show that just in case. So if you don't have Math Excel, this is another way to find an equation of a line if you don't have a graphing calculator either, is you just go to your drive, and lots of different ways to go to the drive, but I always use the dots, either in your email or when you go to open a new screen. So I'll go to a new, and then I'm going to go to a Sheets, and then you'll pop up with, it looks just like Excel, but it doesn't quite have the same functions, but it is capable of finding an equation of a line. So, or an equation of a quadratic or a polynomial or other things. So when you're given data that you're finding an equation of, you can put the data in, and you want to put them in A is X and B would be Y, or in XY chart form. So I'm just going to throw in some numbers that I know form pretty much a linear type line here. They're not going to be perfect, but they'll form like they'll look like a line when we draw the dots. So what we do is we highlight them just like you would in Excel, but we're here in Sheets, and you go to Insert, and you go down to Chart. So again, I went to Insert, Chart, and then under the charts, you're going to pull up different charts you could use. We always want a scatter plot, and we click Enter, and here's our scatter plot. So then from here, we want a trend line. So if I click on a dot, I get some quick things here, and I can add a trend line and add linear, but it doesn't give me the information I need, which is the equation of a line and even maybe the correlation coefficient or the R squared. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on it instead of left click. So again, I left click, I get this, which is great. If I right click on the dot, then I can get different trend line ideas and things. So I'm going to go down to Advanced Edit. And in this customization, right where we're at, if you scroll, there's lots of different things you can title this. So if you wanted to make a graph for any other reason too, you can title it and different things. But we're going to scroll down to where it talks about a trend line. We know we want a linear because this one forms a line, but look, you could do an exponential or a polynomial. Polynomial is anything that is greater than an x, so x squared, x to the third, x to the fourth, so forth. So we want linear. And we want to show the R squared in case you need the R or R squared. Be careful which one you need. And then we want to, let's see, where's the, oh, label. That was where it was. I was like, where is it? Custom. We want to use the equation. We don't want it to just say trend line. We want it to actually give us the equation. And there it is. Update. Done. Now I have the equation of the line, and I also have the R squared right here. So the equation is y equals 1.6x plus 1.45. So it gives you the slope, y-intercept. And again, the R squared or correlation coefficient is telling you how accurate basically this equation is. And this equation is about 0.95 or 95% accurate. So that's a really good equation because our dots really do form a line. And you could use it really well to estimate other things and stuff like that. Anyway, hopefully you found this little quick video helpful on drawing a scatter plot and finding the equation or the R or R squared.